Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make whitening face soap. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So firstly, you need glycerin-based soap which hydrates the skin. It prevents itchy skin. It reduces acne by removing excess oils from the skin to unclog pores. It reduces wrinkles, eczema, and loose skin. You need Idol Carrot Whitening Facial Soap, which contains carrot extract and arbutane, which helps to accelerate the elimination of dead skin cells and to combat pigmentary blemishes. It whitens and evens out the skin complexion. You can also choose to use other whitening soaps. It mustn't be this exact soap. You can choose to use Fair and White soap, Kojic Scan soap, Supreme White, or Royal Exfoliating soap. There are lots of whitening soaps out there with different colors. You can just pick one of them and use. You need half castor oil, which is a whitening oil. You need whitening glycerin, which moisturizes the skin. It treats eczema, it prevents acne, dry patches, it brightens the skin and reduces signs of aging. Lastly, you need rubbing alcohol to help take out bubbles from your soap before keeping it to dry. It is also used to clean and disinfect your working equipment. So firstly, I'll cut my Idol soap into tiny bits. I'll be using this quantity. I'm just melting my glycerin-based soap. After it's completely melted, I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of half castor oil. I'm putting 5 tablespoons of whitening glycerin. Then I'm pouring it into my soap mold. Please take note, I just poured in the soap halfway before putting in my idol soap. I'm just pouring in the remaining glycerin based soap. I'm now spraying my rubbing alcohol to take out the bubbles, then I'll keep it in a cool place to dry naturally. Our soap is completely dried and ready to be used. This soap is good for all skin types and tone. You use it twice daily as you use your normal soap. It whitens and unifies the face. It prevents acne, wrinkles, and itchy skin. You can try it out and drop comments on how best it worked for you. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do this, for you to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.